Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I am at first semester and we will discuss the topic nature of connections and interactions involved between the child and the environment. What is environment? Environment, the term environment implies all the external factors, living and non-living, materials and non-materials, which surrounds man. Classification. Environments can be classified into following components: physical components, biological components and social components, and last one chemicals. Physicals, macro environments and micro environments, and then biological components divide into plants and animal life, including bacteria, viruses, insects, rodents and animals, etc. And social environments, customs, culture, habits, income, occupations and religions, etc. And chemical environments means physical pesticides, fluorines, mercury, leads and solvents. Children and their environment. The motivation to interact with the environment is in all children as an intrinsic property of life, but the equality of the interaction is dependent upon the possibilities for engagements that the environment provides. A child's development is directly linked to their ability to interact with their environment. Children develop an understanding of themselves through their interactions with events and materials outside themselves. Childcare environments. Quality childcare environments have an age appropriate, child centered curriculum and a variety of inviting equipments and play materials accessible to children, and sufficient and uncultured space for active play with an additional cozy space set aside for individuals and quiet play. Many colorful photographs and pictures, including the children's on artwork displayed at their eye level and withdraw that provides natural lights. The play space. A quality programs must meet the three basic needs all children have: protecting their health and safety, second, developing positive relationships, and third, creating learning opportunities. Environments and behaviors. The arrangements of the environment play a key role in guiding the behavior of young children. A poorly arranged physical settings actually sends messages which play trigger behavior such as aggressive play, running or superficial interactions with toys and materials, altering the physical space and layout of the room can eliminate such challenging behaviors. For example, include cozy and well-defined play space to discourage running indoors. Wide open area tend to encourage children to use the space for rowdy high-speed play. Arranging space. Use the physical arrangements or space to suggest play activities and give children cues that defines the play you expect and that space. For example, if blocks are stored in a box without a clearly defined space for block play, it is likely that children will not see how to use these materials appropriately. Okay, thank you.